Hi, I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms. First of all, thanks for signing up for MakeForms and welcome to this video. In this video, we will do one simple thing. Build your first form from scratch. Nothing fancy, just the basics so you can get started with your form building journey. And if you have not done this yet, please subscribe to this channel because I bring such videos where I teach you about forms and automating things with forms. Alright, so let's get started. Now, as soon as you have created your MakeForms account, your dashboard is going to look like this. Right here, you will see the Create Form button. Just click on this. When you do that, you will see 5 options. The first one is the standard form. This is the most common form option people use. It has all the questions appear on a single page or a multi-page step form depending on how you want it. The second one is one at a time form. This form specifically shows only one question at a time. This feels more conversational and works really well when you're looking for higher completion rates. The third one is our own MakeForms AI form builder. So if you know what you want, just tell our MakeForms AI in your language, not just English, and our MakeForms AI will start on creating that form for you. The fourth one is a lead form. This is for advanced use cases where you want to build the entire, like the qualification journey where based on certain questions, you want to decide if this lead is for you or not. This is pretty advanced, we can skip it for now. The fifth one are templates. If you do not want to build any form from scratch, you can browse our template library. Browse through the extensive library of about 10,000 plus ready to use form templates. When you click on any of the form template there, you can see all the fields that are included, and if you like them, just click the use this template button. For this video, let us start with the standard form. Alright, so we click the new form, we named it, and here we are. We now see the form builder editor. It has 3 clear sections. On the left hand side, we have all the available fields like the name field, phone number, and much more. In the center, you have the form builder area. This is where your form takes shape, and on the right hand side you can see the settings. Every field that you click has its own setting that will appear here. Now let us start with building a simple contact form. Alright, so from the left hand side menu, I'm going to pick up a name field, then I'll add an email field, and then a phone number field. You can either drag drop these fields or you can simply click on them to add them onto the form. Now click on any of those fields, and on the right hand side you can see its setting over there. So like you can make this field required, you can change its placeholder values. These pretty much depend on the field type that you have. Once you are done, click the publish button. Your form is now live. After publishing, you can get multiple ways to share your form. The first one is the link. So you can copy the link and share it with the people you want to fill out the form. Along with that, you get an option to generate a QR code for this form. So you can just use it for offline sharing. And this way, you literally have your first form built. Now, if you want to create another form link, click on the Create New Form Link button and MakeForms will create another link for you. This is really useful when you want to use different links for different places, like you are running a campaign and you have people on multiple places. So you can create as many links for them, and then you really know from which particular location have you got all those different sign up or the form fields. So congratulations, you've successfully built your first form, and here is where your form building journey starts. So keep an eye in your email. I'm going to send you much more emails with more videos and where we do much advanced thing with form. If you need our help, please click on the link below which we have in our description and fill out the form. Someone from our team will reach out to you and help you in real time. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, make forms great again. Thank you.